Today is Friday the 27th. Friday the 27th. Um, Second, let me get some music going on right here, real quick. Get some music. Get some music. All right, here we go. First and foremost, give thanks. Let's give thanks to God for blessing us to be alive, for us to be able to be here this morning, to have this opportunity. You know what I'm saying? To have this chance to trade these markets, to have this tool that's available to us as long as we're disciplined and we follow our rules and we do what we need to do. Like we're blessed. We're blessed this morning, and let's be blessed to be disciplined, to follow our strategy, and to follow our plan. So let's go. Um, this is a crucial day because as far as the week, I didn't take a lot of trades. I only took, I'd say, two trades for the whole week. Missed two trades that would have won. Took a trade yesterday that lost, I believe. No, I took a trade yesterday that I closed it early because I didn't like it, but it actually went PE, so that was a PE. And I took a loss on Wednesday. So today is Friday. So the thing is that we stay consistent. It's an everyday thing. Okay. Um, Andrew Tate said this, right? He said, "There's no such thing as a lucky day." He was like, the more consistent you are, the luckier you are. That's how you create luck is by getting in, is doing it every day, is being in the game every day. Like that's how you become lucky. You don't get lucky, just by creating, playing one lottery ticket. The people that are really lucky are the ones that always play all the time. You know what I'm saying? They pray every day. They get their luck is higher, right? So let's get it popping. Let's get it started, right? So let's go to our charts. And we're gonna be trading from 9:30 when the market opens. We're gonna trade to 11:30. Normally, I trade from 10 to 12, but I'm gonna do my 2 hours, get out, and then I'm gonna try to work out, hit the gym. I think I want to get some sun. Like I think I want to get out in the air, but that's gonna be a mission because I have to shower and all that good stuff. So a little bit allergy. I don't know if I'm sick, but trying to knock that stuff out. I don't know if it's sick or allergies, but it's not really coughing or sneezing. It's just like runny nose and congestion. So it's not like I don't want to get my people sick. So I'm gonna go outdoors. It's an opportunity for me to get outdoors and sweat it out, get some sun. You heard? So, all right. So let's go. First and foremost, we gotta check forex market, check the news. We got news coming in at 10:30, and that is about it. The rest of it is yellow candles talking. We don't know when what is gonna be said. 10:30, the crude oil inventories. I mean, that could be something, but not serious. So we are pretty much clear. So let's go to our chart on Nasdaq, right, and let's get it started because we got 7 minutes before the market starts. Actually, a little bit more than that. So let's go to 15. Let's erase the chart and let's line it up and get it popping, right? So we have a consolidation, price quick consolidation, low, lower, high, low, low, lower, high, low key power. Yeah. So this is our sell level right here. It's really small, but it is our sell level. We're selling right now, which is crazy because I was looking for sells yesterday, couldn't find none. So mark this up. Put the high time frame, 15-minute level. Mark it down here. So here it is. Let's go to our 1 minute and let's chart it as so. So right now we are in a range. Price broke out, broke back in. Okay, finally price made a structure, double top, came down, started to make a channel. Okay, so I could say this is a consolidation, or I can say that this is last selling level, low, lower, high. Price broke. But this is our last selling level right here. This is really nasty. So this is our key level sells. Top, bam. Actually, This would be our key level sells because it broke. All right, so with key level sells, we're looking at starting to buy up. All right. So here we go. Price broke above. So now we're looking for buys right now. Let's mark off our time trading times. We're gonna start trading at 9:35. And we're gonna stop trading at 10:55, 9:55. Start track trading at 10:05. Then we're gonna start trading again at stop trading at 11. Wait, with 9:30, 10:30, 11. So we're gonna start trading at 10:55 to 11:05. And we're gonna stop trading completely at 11:30. All right, so that's 2 hours of trading. We're about to lock in. Stop trading 5 minutes before that. And that's it. This is a little crazy, but hey. So we're gonna focus on NASDAQ right now. So price is making a high and low. So we could expect for price to come back here to make a double bottom so we could buy, right? And it's on the high time frame. So price does this fails, and we can count it, but we have to know where our close key levels are. We have one right here, and the last one is here, here. So we just have to worry about this one. So let's focus and lock in. So this is marked up. Let's go to our next pair, which is UJ, USD, JPY. So let's go here. Let's erase the charty. Let's go to our 15-minute level. Let's see what can we see here. And got a consolidation right here. Price is just staying in this field right here. It's at the top of it. So here's our consolidation. Here's our consolidation right here. Let's mark it. This is the high time frame, 15-minute. All right, this is the 15-minute high time frame level. So let's mark it. Okay, now let's go to the 1 minute, our entry time frame. Let's look at the chart. So price is ranging right here in the low. Got a double bottom, that structure. Came back in. So we just have an overall consolidation. So we're gonna mark up as many levels as we can. And I see something here, and then I see something here. I want to say here. But I really can't grab it, so I'm gonna stay here. This is the bottom. So all we're doing is ranging. So let's mark off our stop trading times. Gonna start at 9:35. Stop at 9:55. Come back at 10:05. Stop at 10:55. Come back at 11:05. Then stop trading at 11:25. All right, 2 hours of trading right here in this block. All right, so now we good. We are ready to start looking for our trades. Okay, so we have two charts open, and we're just waiting. So Nasdaq look like it wants to do this buy, so we need to get ready for that. Yes, sir. It's important for us to pay attention, very close attention, especially me, because I've been doing this for a while. Even though, let's take a look. Even though this looks like our break even level has to be, we can't look at our break even level where this breakout break back in. So normally, if there was wicks, it would be like this, right? No, break even level. If it's a breakout break back in, it has to be here. That's our breakout. That's our break even level, not here. Now it might be here because it's creating something, but whenever there's a breakout break back in, our break even level is below it because all this is really this is just a wick. If it's a breakout break back in, so the real level's here unless we have some type of structure there. So something we got to pay attention to. Let's focus. The market is about to be ready for us in a few minutes, so let's keep us focused. If it comes here and it fails, this is low key power, so I'm not liking it. Like if it comes here and fails and comes here, no, and comes bullish, we can take that trade up to the top. And let's look at where the market is going. The market looks like it wants to come here. somewhere to this field here or beyond. So it's selling. But remember, it's selling. The market's selling. But we got to see what's gonna happen. But it's gonna have to go up for a little bit. Still gotta stop and wait till we get here to start trading. The market's gonna open right now. See, and we can't trust it. We have to give it a few minutes when the market opens because um price is gonna react when the market opens. Okay, all the orders that's when it really starts going. You heard? So I'm really thinking we're gonna get buys. So let's just pay close attention. This is an important day because we didn't really have much, and this day says to us that we don't quit. All right, let me lower the music down. So what this day means to us, this Friday, to a lot of people, this means the end of the week. This also means the end of the week for us, but it means that we go at it and we grind every day. Because even on Fridays, we're still here, just still searching, still looking to build our account, to build our future. So that's what this day says. So what am I seeing right now? I'm seeing a move like this. I'm seeing high, higher, low. I'm seeing boom, boom, break, and I'm seeing a double bottom right here. All right, that's what I'm seeing. Okay, and it looks okay. So that's what I'm seeing right now. This will be my. The only thing I don't like is this high time frame right here, right? This high time frame is here, but if we get in low enough, we can buy it to reach this level. All right, so that's the thing. So it's coming. This is this is the double bottom right here. This is going to be our stop candle. This has to be our stop candle. This can't be our stop. This could be our stop candle. Boom. Hey, hold on. Let me try to measure it. We got boom, boom, boom. Stop candle. Okay, this is the evidence candle. I bet that price is going down. See, the market's opening. The price is doing something crazy sauce, you know? But it's going way too down right now. So it's touching this lower key level. This level doesn't mean anything now. This level doesn't mean anything. It's coming back to our cell level, right? It's going beyond our cell level. That's actually a good thing. We're still in cells. So let's focus. All right, here we go. We got a wick. Remember, this is our stop candle. So now we need three candles, right? So this is going to be one, two. We need a third candle. And this is going to be a huge trade. If we do take it, it's going to be a 60 pip trade. So let's go to 60s, NASDAQ. Let's go to 50s. Okay, so this is going to be a 50 pip trade and it's not going to work because we don't have a 50% break even level. All right, so let's just stay cool. We need three candles. We need to cover our close key level. So very important. Let's see if we can, oh, a 50 might just work, but it's going to be very close. I mean, this is risky. A 65 will work. So let's go with a 65. We're going to go for a 1-to-1. All right, so this is our third candle. This is where we're going to take the trade. Okay, we're going to go down, up a little bit. This is where we're going to take the trade. I have to see what close key levels. We got nothing on the bottom. So this is where we're going to take this trade. Let's go. We're going to take this one. All right. This is the first trade pending by NASDAQ. Um, a 65 is a 7.6 lot. So we're going to take a buy. 7.6 lot. Or is it a point? It's a 0.76 lot. And we're going to take this right now at 23,436.6. 23,436.6. I'm going to place this buy stop right now in about 4 seconds. and we're gonna take it. All right, I took the buy, and we're gonna see if price wants to break out, break back in, and activate us. Right. This is a 1-to-1. This is not the best trade, but we're following our system. The reason why I took this trade because this is this is my stop candle right here. We got 1, 2, 3 candle evidence. This is the candle that should activate it if it wants to go. And what it looks like is it doesn't want to. So we wait patiently. I'm probably gonna cancel this trade right at about now. So now we're in 3 candles in. So I'm gonna okay. We got 23 seconds left. So now we're gonna need 6 candles if we're gonna take this trade. All right, so this is totally a dub right now. So it's a wrap. Like we can't do anything right here. So I'm gonna cancel the trade and we gotta wait a little bit longer. All right. So I'm gonna cancel it right now. Yep. All right, so let's see what happens next. We tried to buy it, and it didn't give us the opportunity. So let's keep this here just in case we get 6 candle. We're not the 4th candle in. So let's go here and let's see what the other pair, UJ, is doing. So UJ is coming up. Let's look at where we started in this whole mess. We started at 9 o'clock here. So right now price is bullish on UJ. And we started at 9 o'clock here. 9 o'clock here means that we started here. So price right now, I'll get rid of this because we're done. Get rid of this. Now price is bearish because we started here. We did a wick. Now we're definitely bearish. All right. Things could change, so let's hold it down. Don't give up. Remember, we're the 4th candle in. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th candle, if it goes all the way up, that's something to think about. But we won't be able to take this trade because we cannot cover this whole trade. Like we can't. It's not gonna allow us to. So not gonna be able to take this one. But let's close the chart and let's look into it. So I'm gonna get rid of all these, clear the chart up a little bit. This is interesting. And we have structure. We have a double bottom, right? It's it's a double bottom. Bomb retest, right? So let's see if we can get evidence for that retest to buy it. Let's first look at our close key levels. We got one here, but here, but here. Shoot, and one here. Oh man, allergies are sick. I don't know what it is. So I don't know if I like this trade. Just don't like it because all these close key levels. If I take the trade here, you have to worry about too much stuff. So not interested in buying it right now. Remember, we wait for the best possible opportunities, not iffy opportunities. We want the best possible probabilities. So now, if we find any structure, we're looking for sells now, like we was looking for before. All right, and we can't find anything here. I want to say if I stretch the chart out, stop 1, 2, we get 3 candles. Stop 1, 2. Let's see. If we do get a 3rd candle here, I still wouldn't like this trade because all of these close key levels. Not oh, look at that. Would you look at that? Is this the 6th candle? Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Here's the 6th candle. That's the 6th candle, but remember we couldn't take that buy because we wouldn't have enough. But price is coming back in. Let's widen our chart here. Price is coming back in, so we're gonna remove these levels. Doesn't make any sense to have them. Doesn't make any sense right now. So could get a sell. No reason like taking these, but this is a top down sell, and there's no close key levels way over here, way out the way for me to even care about. But I'm still gonna mark it anyway. This is a sell, and this might be a sell. But let's look. Pay close attention here. I'm just a little weird because I feel like the market's gonna buy, but I have to just follow my instincts. Right? We're already in sells. Everything is telling us sells. So we have stop. We need evidence. Here's our close key level is here. All right. I want to say there, but no, we're here. Here's our close key level. So let's see if we can get 3 candle evidence. It's still not going to be a good trade. I'm not feeling it. Look, we're going to need about another big trade, another 40, 50 pip trade. And look, if we take it here, we have to be able to cover this level. Okay, so let's measure it. It's coming fast, bro. We got 20 seconds. Oh, we'll be able to cover it, so let's take it. Okay, let's go to NASDAQ. Okay, let's go. This is going to be 50 pip. 50 pip is one lot. 1.0. And then let's go pending. And we're going to go 23,380.7. 23,380.7. What? They won't let me buy this? That's crazy. 23,380.7. That's crazy. They won't let me. The spreads are crazy right now. They won't let me take this trade. They fucking up, man. They won't let me take this trade. Man, the spreads are ridiculous. The spreads are ridiculous. 23,380.7. Yeah, they won't even let me take this trade. I don't like it. Market sucked today. It was gonna let me take it before. Now they won't let me take it. Huh. They're only giving me a limit. So this is low key power. So price is going up. Now stop 1, 2, 3. This is supposed to be activated on this candle, but it didn't. 39 seconds left. Look like it wants to activate. So we got stop 1, 2. Stop 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's gonna activate. I'm so mad because I want to take this trade, but I take a market. Oh, I'm on sell. That's why I can't take it. All right, I'm gonna take the sell stop right now. All right, took the sell stop. Got 10 seconds left. If it doesn't activate, I have to cancel this trade. Um, so we got stop 1, 2, 3 candle. I can actually say stop 1, 2, 3 candles again. So yeah, I'm gonna take this trade right here. So I'm taking it. I can cover my close key level, which is cool. I don't like the break even though. That's the only thing. I might cancel this trade. Yeah, I'm not feeling. All right, I'm gonna cancel it. I canceled it. Why? Because I don't like the break even. Actually, I'm gonna take it again. Stop. Okay. Stop. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Put the cell stop in. We got 9 seconds. If it activates us, oh man, 1 second left. It didn't activate us. So we got stop. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh man, we got activated. I don't know if this is good or not. Actually, this is okay because this is the stop candle. 1, 2, 3. We got activated on the third. So we're gonna take this trade. Our break even. Our stop loss is gonna be 23,430.2. 23,430.2 trades. Okay, edit 23,430.2. 23. I'm not watching this chart. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna set things up. I'm just following my system. 23,430.2, and that's it. You know what I'm saying? That is it. And if I lose, I lose. Okay, the stop loss is in. That's it. That's all we can do. I'm gonna get off. If I lose, I lose, bro. So I'm gonna put my alert. I'm looking good right now, but it is what it is. We just follow the system. We're gonna keep going. This is not the end. We're gonna keep going to the end, baby. So put our stop loss alert there. Put our break even alert here. Told you I felt like I was gonna buy, but it is what it is. Let's see what happens. All right, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna leave this chart and I'm out of here. So I'm not gonna make myself get all worked up. It is what it is. That's a Friday first trade, and that is it. We did what we did. Let's look at it some more. So this was our stop candle, then this was our stop candle, then this became our stop candle. Then we had a breakout, break back in, and then this candle activated us. Or if it was stop, 1, 2, 3, the next candle activated us. So it's a part of our strategy. If it is not, then we learned something, then we have to figure out, where our stop candle is going to be. But that's evidence right there. If you look at the bright side, all right, so we lost the trade. It's all good. And we just have to take another one. You know what I'm saying? And it's all good. Yeah, we lost the trade. So it's all good. I had a feeling it was going to go up, but hey, we got another trade to take. We lost that. That's all good. Watch it go back though. So now we have a double top. So I'll put this here. And you just got to keep going, man. You just got to take another one. You know what I'm saying? It's that simple. Come on, man. It's not crazy. It is what it is. This week has been kind of tough. But hey, that's all right. But we're going to get look for the next setup. So we're trying to take sells. This is actually, it's a double top. So we'll get another one. Don't worry. Let's look at Nasdaq, UJ. I was looking for a sell, but that's too ugly for me to even find anything. So let's just take it easy. Price is seeking this level right here. We're selling. This is our, we're gonna try to take another sell. I'm not convinced. I'm actually supposed to wait a little bit of time, so I'm gonna wait. Uh, if this waits, it's a sell. That will be the sell we're looking for. We have to cover this level, so it have to be a 60 pip, 65 pip. Oh shit! Come on now. If it's a 65 pip, okay, let's do it. Let's take this trade again. Let's not be scared, right? Let's take this trade again. A 65 pip is a 0.76 slot. So 0.76. And it's going to be stop evidence. We should be activated here, and we didn't get activated yet. So I'm gonna open it up. This is the stop candle as our evidence. Okay. Stop. 1, 2, 3. We just need 3 candles to take this trade. All right, so let's wait. So we got 23,417.0. 23,417.0. The sad part is we're only gonna probably be able to get a 1-to-1 on this, but hey, that was a good trade that we took the first one. We're set here. I'm gonna take this trade. There's another Koski level. I'm gonna take it. Take it, and this is the bear candle. Stop. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna take it in about 15 seconds. Not being afraid, man. We're just gonna take this trade. The reason why I'm taking this trade back to back because it's simple. It's the same trade. Activated it. The sell stop is in. Let's save the picture. If this price goes and it activates us, it's going down. So it'll be here. Blam. We should get a 2 to 1. We should be able to get a 2 to 1. So let's wait it on up. Let's see if we get activated. Right. Let's see. Price is coming down. Few seconds left. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Activated. They were activated. We got activated. All right. So now let's put our stop loss. Our stop loss is going to be, this is probably the last trade if we lose this one, 23,479.8. 23,479.8 will be our stop loss. Let's put it in. Trades. We're going for a 2 to 1. Okay. 23,478. 23,482.1. Okay. Yep. There we go with that. 20,482.1. All right. I want to explain something. If this trade ends up going break even, this is what I want to say. Like, yo, guys, we gotta get it popping. We can't give up. We gotta be brave and courageous. You know what I'm saying? Because it's scary to take this trade again after you already lost. You know what I'm saying? Like it takes bravery, and we break even. I'm gonna go break even. So I'm gonna go break even. My break even, and I'm gonna put it up 23,419.1, and that's it. We have to stick to our strategy. 23,419.1 is our break even. Okay, 23,419.1. Okay, that's our break even. You gotta do it. You know, you can't think about it. You just have to do it. Okay. So let's go to 2 to 1. We're just gonna go for a 2 to 1. A 2 to 1 will give us a total of, damn, is that 1,200 pips? That's crazy. No. Yeah, 1,200 pips. That's it. That's all we need, and we're good. And we'll make our money, we'll make our loss back plus $500. Our TP is going to be 23,286.8. 23,286.8. Let's put our alert here because we got alerted. Let's put our all right. This is a prime example of following your system, right? I was actually supposed to wait 10 minutes, but there's something I said like this trade was a good trade. And if it was a good trade and I feel that it was a good trade, and then the market just did some BS, then I'm gonna take it again because this was a good trade. The first trade we took was a good trade. Everything was in our system, and I saw the move happen again, and I was just like, okay, we're gonna do this. So this is our second trade. We're gonna get off the charts and we're gonna let the trade play out. Let me just put in my notebook. My break even level is 23,417.0. Okay, I'm gonna get off the charts. I can't expect this trade to go any lower. Um, it already went low. Look at this. Like, if we really wanted to, like, really from Friday, it already went this low. So it possibly is gonna go even lower to about maybe a 3 to 1. Probably you'll get to a 3 to 1, but I'm not a gambler. I'm gonna take my two and get on with my life. You heard? And I'll probably be the end of the week for me. If I win this trade, I think I'm done. I'm gonna go outdoors, work out. And that's the power of trading, right? I'm just gonna talk about it. Like, you have the ability you have a skill to make money and then go about your life. Like, I'm not gonna overtrade today. Today was a rough week as it is. I'm gonna take, if this is a dub or break even, I might try to take another trade, but that's a lot of energy I put into this, and it's a wrap. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go and enjoy the day. I'm up right now. I'm at 600 in this trade. I lost 500 on the other trade, so we took a L. So we're basically gonna win our money back and get a little bit of profit. So that's what we're waiting for. So I'm gonna get off the chart and let's see what happens, right? All right, so there's the trade that we took. Let's look at it and let's explain it. All right, so in this trade, let's talk about it. So we have sells, right? We were looking for a buys up here and we couldn't find it, right? So price broke below our sell level and made a lower high. So we tried to take this lower high. This was our, at first this was our stop candle. Then this was our stop candle. And then finally we said this is our stop candle. And we had breakout one, two, three candles. We got activated by this wick. Price didn't go and it went back up. So I was like, okay, this was a good trade. Everything, like if it's a good trade and I don't feel nothing was wrong or anything, I didn't feel anything was wrong. I covered my close key level. This was the system. And I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna see something. Maybe the market is trying to just get close to this level, but it doesn't want to touch it. So that's what I seen. So I seen this as a a double top, right? So here's my break even level right here. And this is my stop candle, right? First stop candle. I said, no, no, that's not my stop candle. Here's my stop candle. I said, one, here's my stop candle, three candles, one, two, three. After I got that third candle, I got active. I said, if I got activated with momentum here, then it's not likely that it's going to come back here. It's going to want to just come down. So we're in the trade. We're just waiting to see if it's going to, this was a big trade. This trade was, I think, 65 pips or 50 something pips. So when it's a big trade, with a capital B, we don't expect it to go 3 to 1, right? On 65 pips. If you times 60 pips times two, that's 120 ticks. You know what I'm saying? It's 120 pips. So we're not expecting this trade to go 1,000 pips in one day. So we'll take our 120 pips, 1,200 pips, and we'll call it a wrap. That's a big move. So we're supposed to take a 1 to 1, but we take a 2 to 1. Now, if it was a 14 pip, we could probably take 5 to 1, 3 to 5 to 1. You know what I'm saying? So the trade is still in progress. A part of our system is to not watch the chart. Is to get off the chart and wait for our alerts. Because the more that you watch the chart, the more that you know, the more emotional you are. So you take these trades. You've seen guys. We took this trade right here, and it was emotional. I ain't going front, but we have to get our emotions out of it. We lost. Okay, boom. We learned from it. We see. Was anything wrong with this trade? No, there was nothing wrong with this trade. It's just a loss. But we realized that the move didn't happen yet, and the double top happened, and it was an overshot. This is an overshot double top. So you see the double top here, and it overshot. Here's the overshot. So that's a wick. So now price activated us. There's no way that it wants to come down, and hopefully we get our TP. But now we're just waiting, and this is another part of the system is to get off the charts and wait, right? And just wait now. I think this trade is gonna go because if you look at what time it is, it's 10 o'clock. That candle's gonna close bearish, right? And the next candle is gonna most likely want to close bearish too. Um, yeah. So that's all I got. I don't have anything else. I can't say like as far as what the banks are doing. Like I don't know. Sometimes I can predict what the banks are doing. Like if they're trying to fake us out, they go up. I don't see that right now. I see that this is just strictly the market selling right now, and it's gonna sell down a little bit for today. I don't see that it wants to go up. Markets are not good right now. We got a lot of stuff going on politically, so gotta take it for what it is. As far as the week, I started off this week probably gonna break even on this week. I started off with $500. We got alerts. I don't know what those alerts are. Let me look on the phone. Uh, what is going on? I don't know what that alert was. It doesn't tell me yet. Oh, did I even set the TP? I don't even think I set the TP. I got an alert, but I don't know what it is yet. So I'm gonna go and take a look. I don't want to, but let's take a look. Okay, let's look. All right, the price. We got the. Okay, I gotta close this. I gotta go and close this. Okay, this trade. Yeah. I closed it. I closed it. We got it, baby. We got it. I made a mistake. I did not. All right, I'm gonna show y'all. This is it for me. I'm gonna tell y'all straight up. I'm done for the day. This is it for me. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. We made this trade and we did it, guys. We did it. We're not supposed to take a trade right after we lost, but in this circumstance, I took it because, I saw nothing wrong with this trade. And if I see nothing wrong, if I take a loss and I see something wrong, then I'm like, okay, but if the move comes back, then I'm gonna take the trade again. So I mean, you know, supposed to stick to my system. And I'm still learning about that. There's certain things that, you know, it's about risk management, right? Okay, and this is my mindset. All right, this is my mindset, right? Okay, so I know that I'm allowed to take two losses per day, right? That's what I'm allowed to do. I'm allowed to take two losses. So based on the week that I had and based on, you know, I know that I'm not going to overtrade. So I was willing to take another loss, right? You have to be willing to take that risk, right? It's about risk management. So, I said to myself, you know what? I know myself. I know how I've been in the past. I know about over trading. I'm not gonna sit here and overtrade. I'm gonna take this risk. If I lose, I took a okay. So here, I took a good trade. It didn't work out. The setup is coming back again, which meaning the trade was good. Everything lined up. If I lose again, then hey, there's something wrong that I did, but there's nothing wrong. Well, the system that I studied for years told me that this was a good trade, then I have to take it. You know what I'm saying? And I have to admit, it was scary. Um, it was not easy. It took courage to do this. You know what I'm saying? And I did it. And you can do it too. You know what I'm saying? You can do it too. But it takes time on these charts. It takes you to get out of your emotions, right? Get out of your emotions. Like trading, you can't be emotional. So thinking about something. But yes, this is a win. I'm done for the day. I'm actually gonna go out. I'm gonna go work out. And I think that'll be that. I'm gonna go get some work outdoors because that's perfect for what I'm going through right now. You heard? So that's what I'm gonna do. I gotta go outdoors. Gotta get some sun. But that's it. Let's put the trade in. I'm not trading anymore. It's a wrap. So it's a wrap. We got break even for this week. We lost the trade. That trade didn't make any sense. It actually worked out later. So that was one of those trades that we would have took again. We would have got break even. We took a trade yesterday that broke even. On Wednesday, we took a trade that lost. I'm gonna break down these trades tonight. And that's it, man. That's it. I'm done for the day. Like I said, I'm done. This is when you gotta call it a wrap. And I just want to show y'all for motivational purposes how much that trade won. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. Let me show you. Oh, let me see. Let me find out where's that. I hope this sickness goes away, man. I want to be sick. I be with my Dutty. Sick, man. Let's see what's that. Nope, that's not it. Trade lock there. Here we go. Yeah, supposed to make 800. We end up making 1,000. So let's see. Oh yeah, we made a break even. We made a break even week. So this is what they call, this is what traders call like a moment when where they start breaking into profits, right? I'm making break even every week. You know what I'm saying? This is actually better for me because I'm trading New York session. Before I was trading London session, and I'm always when I'm trading New York and I'm trading Nasdaq, I don't have to pay for fees. I don't have to pay any fees. I don't have to pay any spread. It's just a clean trade. When I trade Forex at night, you see the spreads, man. There's spreads everywhere. Look, I'll show y'all. Like, look, there's a fee of $41. You know what I'm saying? There's like so much fees. Like, I'm not even supposed to lose 100 here. I'm not supposed to lose 67 here. I'm not supposed to lose 200. Like, this is spread and fees that killed me this week. I should be up like at least 500 to $1,000, but spread and fees killed me. But let's look at the trade. We just took this trade right here, and we took this trade, Nasdaq trade. We took a sell. It was a big trade, 7.76 lots. And we won $1,000, right? That's a day's of work, right? If we didn't take this trade that lost, we would have made a whole $1,000 for the day. But we took this sell and it lost us $500. So now we're in a positive today of $490, which is not bad. Okay, the reason why I say that is because this is just one day out of a week of 5 days, not including 7 days if you trade crypto. There's a lot of opportunity, man, and a lot of people get at this business and they get in and it's hard and they fail and so much stuff, but there's so much opportunity. It's so worth it, man, especially if you have a calling, if you have people that you need to take care of and there's people that are waiting for you. You know, this is your destiny. Like for me, I did this for years and it's worth it. It's worth it because of things like this, because the opportunity, right? We're gonna win, we're gonna lose, but if you stay consistent, if you keep pushing, you know, your little wins are gonna come. You're gonna get a little $400 win here, a little $1,000 win here, maybe a $1,500 win. Maybe you might take a loss for 1,000, but you keep going, right? Each day, each one of those weeks are gonna get profitable for you. It's gonna take time. It's gonna take time. It's gonna take work. It's gonna take studying. It's gonna take, you know, trust it. It's gonna take having a heart posture, right? Trading is about emotions and heart and your psychology. You gotta have the heart to do what I just did, to take that trade again and be okay with losing it because you have a system in place. You say, hey, if I lose this trade, I'm okay with it. I over traded. Well, to take the consequence, I can't trade no more now. If you keep trading today and you keep losing, then you blow your account. All right. So I just say like, I just keep pushing and I got a lot of things that I need to do. So, all these small wins, it's all gonna at the right time. I always go to God's word. I go to the Bible, right? And God's word says that, you know, he said basically Revelation, even though it tarries, wait for it patiently because it's coming. I probably said it not exactly in the same words that the Bible says it, but basically that says like, you know, the revelation, what's going to be revealed for you is coming. Their destiny, your future is coming. Just be patient. It's going to tarry. Tarry means tardy in a way, tardy. So that means it's going to take time. It may take time, but just be patient, man. And that's it. That's what this is all about. Let me tell y'all again, like this whole week has been trash. I missed out on two opportunities and I'm going to back out. I'm going to bring them up later. But, I started trading at 9:20. Look at that. We're already out the game, made profits, and we're out. Why do we need to stay on this chart? Why do we need to get more? Let's let it breathe and let's come back again. You know what I'm saying? So this whole week has not been good. I missed two trades. I lost a trade. I got a break even. And I got a win at the end of the week. So it's about consistency. And guess what? Next week is a new week. A week where, you know, we do the same thing. We get every day. Every day I've been here every day. Tired, hurting, hungry, exhausted, stressed. And you show up every day. That's what makes the difference. And that's it. But I'm over it. If you want, we could look at some stocks real quick. Let's look at some stock. Because I'm about to start trading stock options. Um, once, I get a check, I'm gonna trade stock options and I'm gonna use the money to start another business. And I gotta invest in some stuff for my family time. But let's look at some stocks. Let's go ahead and look at it. I haven't looked at stocks in a minute. All right, here we go. We're gonna go on the daily time frame and just look at what it's looking like on the daily. So first off, we have BJ's Wholesale. Oh, hold up, Miss Steez. Excuse me. Yeah, I gotta get outdoors. Um, BJ's Wholesales. We had a consolidation. I would call this another consolidation, honestly. Low key power. There's no trade here to take, but this is a nice breakout. So we're gonna probably want to look for price to break out and retest for us to buy. But like I said, summer's coming. VJs makes a lot of money in the summer. People are out, people are buying food, trying to enjoy spring. So that's why I like BJ's right now. Google, I don't see anything right now. I see Google in sell mode right now. It's a consolidation. I don't see anything going on. This is a look like a double top to buy, but this is too much bearish pressure. This right here is too much bearish pressure right here. Right here. You can't buy off that. So that's a no. Let's go down to the next pair. Spectrum. Wow. I wish I would have stayed with Spectrum a long time ago. I bought it like down here, but there's nothing going on. Nothing. There was consolidation. Price broke out, rejected. So now it's looking like it wants to go up. Uh, Home Depot is selling right now. Nobody's buying houses. The gas prices are high. So it's not good for Home Depot. So we're in the sell mode. This was a consolidation. Price broke below, lower high. Here's another lower high. It looks like a double top right here. It's just a little ugly. Um, Nike. Nike's selling right now. We have a low, lower high. This is kind of like a consolidation. So we're looking for sales on Nike. Uranium, it was doing well. Now it's below. Gonna start looking into uranium to get back in the game with uranium. This is a double bottom. Um, we need structure to start telling us that it wants to buy again. So we need buy structure. Right now, still in sell structure. Let's look at Facebook is selling. If this was my dip strategy, I'll be buying right now. Just straight up. I'll buy the dip. Off a spot, not leverage or anything. Off not stock options. I'm not going deep into stock options. Stock options, you gotta be, you gotta be more locked in. So we're looking for buys on Johnson and Johnson. Healthcare is not falling back. So all we need right here is let me just make sure this is not a consolidation. No, it's not a consolidation price. It might be. This might be a consolidation right here. Yes. Consolidation, double. Okay, we got a double. This is selling. The price is coming back here. We need a double top here to sell. And then we got to be careful of these close key levels up here because there's not even nothing. The close key level is here. Got to be careful of that level. But we're looking for sells in Johnson and Johnson. Verizon is selling. We can look for a double top right here. That comes back or a lower high right here. Um, Eli Lilly is selling. We can probably find a nice sell if we get another retest right here. If we get price to break and then come back, we can sell it down here. Look like it wants to come down to these levels here, and then it's going to start buying again. Wow. Price was struggling for a little while. See, Rivian is about to sell. It came back into this high time frame and it's stuck, and it wants to blow, and it's probably going to blow down to to this levels or this level. So Coca-Cola Coca-Cola was bullish. People buying sodas and cokes and crap. You know what I'm saying? Um, I don't have nothing really to buy anything to sell. Amazon, I gotta get out. Amazon, I can't call it. All right, Tesla's, I don't know. I can't call it either. It's breaking out from a range and it's rejecting. So it's gonna go back into that range. SCI is bullish right now. Came from the bottom. Now it's going to the top of this range. So it's gonna come here. So we need to get an entry. AutoZone, gotta figure it out. It's not really nothing we can see. AutoZone is trash. Um, I don't know what this is, but still went back into this range. Coinbase selling, Google selling. Could have took a sell right there, right in the chart. But it took a sell right here. Close key levels here. Yeah, we could have took a sell right about here. Stop, stop evidence. This would have activated us and we would have sold it. Yeah, that would have been a sell on alphabet. Our close key level would be here, here. And I wouldn't call this, but I would call this close key level. And yeah, we would have been able to take that. Let's see. This will be our stop candle. This will be our evidence. And we would have to take a big trade, about 10 lots. This will be our break even right here. So we're gonna have to take it right like this. And when we cover, we have another close key level right here. Too many close key levels. No. That I don't like. That's what killed this trade. Let's see if we can cover both of these close key levels. Let's see. Man. Almost. Now, if we took a bigger trade, let's say a 12, 12. We got it right there. Oh, it would have been close. Oh, that would have been close. Maybe it'll have to be an 11. Yeah, an 11 might work. Oh, it's so close. Wouldn't be able to take this because we need to cover our close key levels. And we don't. So I wouldn't be able to take it, but it's close. We took it right here. Yep, that would have been a close one, but we would have passed. We need everything to line up. So Disney, selling, uranium, Airbnb is dumping. It's gonna dump. Airbnb is gonna dump soon. I'm looking to selling some stock options on Airbnb. McKesson, selling, I don't know, Bit Digital, MasterCard, NASDAQ, NVIDIA. Let me see NASDAQ on the daily. Oh, NASDAQ on the daily is selling. Oh my goodness. It would have been low. Another strategy that I usually trade is when we get a break, price retest is at the 50% line. And you can catch it when it comes up. You know what I'm saying? We could have caught a trade off this little strategy where you catch it when trying to copy the next candle. And if we would have caught it right here and got in right there, we would have been gotten we'll be searching for a 3-to-1 would be right here. And let's measure it. So we want to copy this candle from here. And yeah, we would have been close to getting a 3-to-1. So yeah, that would have been nice. NVIDIA, selling. Apple, selling. This is a nice sell right here. All right, we got a sell. Apple. Got a double top. Bomb, 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 bomb. Here's a stop. And price is going to sell. So we could sell this, but everything has to line up. We need, here's our break even. Our close key levels are nowhere. Our close key levels way up there. So how I would take this trade is this. I would take it like this. Out the cover. So it'll be a 1-to-1 right here. And we can't take this because, yeah, we need another candle. It'd be like this. But anyway, that's it. That's all the stocks. But I'm out, guys. One.